Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
This idiot makes an illegal U-turn and hits me. Now I'm not entirely sure what direction he came from, but good thing airbags exist.
Oh my God, what a idiot.
Shipping lines don't like to come here. It's just a big bay.
How do you do that?
12 hours up the bay. It's a beautiful ride up the bay, but...
This driver thinks he's cool, weaving in and out of the cones and traffic. When your ego to go first is more important than your life. Red lights are optional for this guy. It's okay because not everyone knows how it works properly. Reversing on a busy highway off-ramp? Seriously? Apparently they don't apply to this Mercedes driver. Nothing major, but seriously, why can't some people gauge relative speed?
A few moments later.
Best instant karma I've ever seen. Don't hesitate if you're taking someone's right of way. This idiot thinks he's more important, but gets stopped at the next light anyway. My brakes and tires are good. He was inches from being hit. Glad I made it a habit to check before crossing. I almost admire the commitment to making bad decisions. She ran the stop sign and had the audacity to flip me off.
Twenty minutes later.
This driver really went out of his way to make the wrong decision.
Eventually.
Now this is a common accident. Always make sure to know when your green light still forces you to yield to oncoming traffic.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.